This video shows you how to use RefWorks with Word 2016 or later. Click Insert and click Get Add-ins. Type RefWorks and find RefWorks Citation Manager or RCM. You can click Add and this will install RCM in Word. And once you install the app, click My Add-ins and the RCM shows up here. Log in with your credentials. I'm already logged in. Okay, click All References and select your folder. This is my folder. And before you start writing your paper, make sure you have the right citation style selected. Click the hamburger button and click Change Citation Style. It's loading citation styles right now. Okay. You can change your citation style if you need to, and click Update. And when you're ready to cite, you can click Quick Cite. This will insert both in-text citation and a bibliography at the end. If you need to edit in-text citations, you can also click Preview and Edit. Let's go back. So instead of Quick Cite, you can click Preview and Edit. Let's add page number here. Oops. Okay, insert citation. And of course, you can edit your citations manually here too. Okay, let's go back. And if you just added new citations in RefWorks and they're not shown in the RCM panel right here, you can click the hamburger button and update document. This will update your folder here.